Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best automatic room spray is probably one of the most convenient ways to keep your home smelling fresh and inviting without any effort, automatically releasing a burst of fragrance at set intervals to combat odors and enhance your living space, making it an essential addition for anyone who values a consistently pleasant atmosphere. Number 5. Wick Essential Mist Starter Kit. Introducing the Wick Essential Mist Starter Kit. It brings the calming sense of nature right into your home. This starter kit includes a diffuser and a lavender and almond blossom refill. Enjoy the benefits of essential oils with ease. Experience the soothing aroma of lavender blended with the sweet, delicate notes of almond blossom. It's a perfect escape. The diffuser releases a fine mist of fragrance, ensuring your space is consistently filled with delightful scents. Simply insert the refill and let it work its magic. It's an effortless way to enhance your home's atmosphere. Crafted with essential oils, it provides a natural and authentic fragrance experience. Breathe in the goodness. What we like. Experience the calming aroma of lavender and almond blossom. This option releases a gentle mist infused with natural essential oils. If you're looking for a serene and relaxing atmosphere, this is the perfect choice for your bedroom or study. What people say. Its cordless design makes it convenient to place anywhere, and the lavender and almond scent creates a calm, pleasant atmosphere. The mist is subtle rather than overpowering. I love that it's on a timer so I don't have to think about it. It just keeps the room smelling fresh throughout the day. It works great. The scent being adjustable is awesome. Can be moved to wherever you get the most out of it. It smells great with whatever scent I have put in, and the adjustment changes the time for how often it releases. Number 4. Wick Automatic Air Freshener Spray Starter Kit. Introducing the Wick Automatic Air Freshener Spray Starter Kit. Enjoy a consistently fresh home with minimal effort. This innovative device releases bursts of fragrance at timed intervals. It ensures your space always smells inviting. Experience the clean and crisp scent of fresh linen. It brings the feeling of a sunny day indoors. Crafted with natural essential oils, it provides a richer, more authentic aroma. Enjoy a touch of nature in every spray. This kit includes everything you need to get started. It's the perfect way to maintain a pleasant atmosphere in any room. The automatic spray ensures continuous freshness. You'll love coming home to a beautifully scented environment every day. What we like. Enjoy a consistently fresh and clean scent throughout your home. It automatically dispenses a fine mist to combat odors. If you want to maintain a welcoming environment without constant manual effort, this is ideal for busy households or entryways. What people say. Delivers just the right amount of fragrance, not overpowering, and it's not loud when spraying out the mist. The Wick Automatic Spray Starter Kit is so easy to set up, even your cat could do it. Just pop in the refill, select the spray interval, and voila! The automatic spray feature is fantastic. It releases a perfectly timed burst of fragrance that keeps the space smelling great without being overpowering. I love that you can adjust the frequency of the sprays to fit the size of the room or your personal preference. Number 3. Wick Automatic Spray Starter Kit. Experience the effortless way to keep your home smelling fresh. This automatic spray releases a burst of fragrance at set intervals. Enjoy the delightful scent of summer delights, infused with essential oils. It brings the feeling of a perfect summer day right into your living space. Don't just mask odors, neutralize them. This powerful formula eliminates unpleasant smells, leaving your air clean and inviting. Get everything you need to start enjoying a fresher home. The kit includes the automatic dispenser and 2 refreshing refills. Enjoy continuous freshness with this long-lasting air freshener. It's the perfect solution for maintaining a pleasant atmosphere in any room. Simply set it and forget it. It provides consistent fragrance without any hassle, making home fragrance maintenance a breeze. What we like. Bring the scent of summer indoors with this delightful fragrance. It comes with 2 refills for extended enjoyment and effectively neutralizes odors. If you love a bright, cheerful ambience and want great value with longer use, consider this for your living areas. What people say. Delivers just the right amount of fragrance, not overpowering, and it's not loud when spraying out the mist. The Wick Automatic Spray Starter Kit is so easy to set up, even your cat could do it. Just pop in the refill, select the spray interval, and voila! The automatic spray feature is fantastic. It releases a perfectly timed burst of fragrance that keeps the space smelling great without being overpowering. I love that you can adjust the frequency of the sprays to fit the size of the room or your personal preference. Number 2. Glade Automatic Spray Refill and Holder Kit. Experience the continuous fragrance of Glade Automatic Spray. It's designed to provide a fresh scent for your home. Immerse yourself in the comforting aroma of cashmere woods. This scent brings a touch of warmth and luxury to any room. Enjoy effortless fragrance with our automatic spray system. It dispenses scent at timed intervals, keeping your space smelling great. Ideal for your home or bathroom, it ensures a pleasant atmosphere. Simply set it and forget it. Each refill provides long-lasting freshness, ensuring your environment remains inviting. Enjoy a consistent and delightful scent experience. What we like. Indulge in the sophisticated scent of cashmere woods. This provides an elegant fragrance suitable for any room, including bathrooms. If you appreciate a luxurious and warm aroma to enhance your living space, this is a wonderful option for creating a cozy feel. What people say. The automatic spray dispenser is a great addition to my home. It releases a fine mist of fragrance at set intervals, keeping my room smelling fresh all day long. The design is sleek and modern, blending in perfectly with my decor. I love that I can adjust the frequency of the sprays to my preference, and the battery life is impressive, lasting for several months on a single set of batteries. This air freshener is a game changer. It automatically releases a burst of scent every 15 minutes, ensuring a consistently pleasant aroma throughout my house. The unit itself is compact and unobtrusive, and the different scent options are wonderful. It's so convenient not having to manually spray air freshener anymore. The coverage is excellent, reaching even larger rooms. I'm really impressed with the performance of this automatic room spray. The mist is very fine and evenly distributed, and the scent lasts for a good amount of time. The device is easy to set up and operate, with clear instructions. I appreciate the different spray settings, allowing me to control the intensity of the fragrance. It's a fantastic way to maintain a fresh and inviting atmosphere in my home. Number 1. Glade Automatic Spray Clean Linen. Introducing the Glade Automatic Spray Kit. Enjoy a burst of clean linen fragrance that automatically refreshes your space. This kit includes both a holder and a refill, designed to blend seamlessly into your home decor. It provides consistent fragrance without any fuss. Elevate the ambience of your home or bathroom with this long-lasting air freshener. It's the perfect way to keep your living spaces smelling delightful. Experience the crisp and clean scent of clean linen. It's a refreshing aroma that brings a sense of calm and cleanliness to your environment. Simply set it up and let it work its magic. When the fragrance runs low, replacing the refill is quick and easy, ensuring continuous freshness. The generous 6.2-ounce refill ensures that your home stays fragrant for an extended period. Enjoy weeks of pleasant scent with just one unit. What we like. Embrace the crisp and clean scent of fresh linen. It's designed to keep your home and bathroom smelling fresh and inviting. If you prefer a light, airy, and universally appealing fragrance, this is a great choice for everyday freshness. What people say. The holder is simple to set up, and I like that you can adjust how often it sprays depending on the size of the room or how much fragrance you want. The refills last a good amount of time, and the scent isn't overpowering. It gives just enough freshness to notice without being too strong or artificial. The dispenser is compact and easy to use. It fits well on a shelf or counter without being too noticeable. Loading the refill is straightforward, and the automatic timer feature is a nice touch. You can set it to spray at regular intervals, which helps maintain a consistent scent in the room. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.